So grab your sheet of A4 paper and your pencil and begin to sketch a square. So you want the square to be in the middle of your page. I've done mine slightly towards the top to make what will be the ceiling smaller. Doesn't have to be completely accurate, we're just doing a sketchy line. So I'm going from this corner to that corner of the page, this corner to that corner of the page. This corner to that corner, and this corner to this corner. We've now created our room. Now draw a cross in the centre of your box. This is going to give you your guidelines for your perspective. So this is going to be your 1 point perspective, and the point where the cross meets in the middle is that 1 point. Now let's draw an oven. So we're in Willy Wonka's room. We need to follow those parallel lines, the parallel line on the right and the parallel line on the left. Now we're going up, follow the parallel lines that are vertical. Now follow the parallel lines that are horizontal. Because the oven is now going back to that 1 point, you need to follow those diagonal lines. So each line of this cube will be parallel. So there you have your box pointing towards that 1 point. Straighten up the edges. Now let's try and do it along the wall. So remember that vertical line, follow that, because that is your floor. Keep following those lines. I felt like this was too shallow, so I extended it and rubbed away the lines when I was happy. So there is your cupboard or ovens along the wall. I wanted to extend the ceiling, so I used the same theory, stretching it up and following the lines. Think round, you still use those parallel lines, so draw your round edge at the bottom, then your vertical lines are still parallel with your box. Just remember the ellipse shape, so your round edge at the base must replicate the round edge at the top. So you don't want a deep circle at the bottom and a flat circle at the top. You want those two half circles to be parallel as such. Then you can go in and add some more, and you can overlap another pot and then rub out. Now go in and add detail. Think about all those words. The little marbles that are the gobstoppers falling into a basket. Think about how these would be transported around the rooms. Do they go onto another pipe down into the hardware of the kitchen? There's pipes coming from the ceilings into the wall. Lots of pots and pans hissing. Remember the dozen kitchen knobs, some pipes coming out of each of the areas of your invention room, glass doors,